Hi everyone, I'm Jay. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how I made this deliciously flavoursome lamb tagine. I'll start by browning my 500 grams of diced lamb in a heavy based pan under a high heat. Once I've browned all of my lamb in 2 batches, I'll set it to one side in a bowl. So now I'll turn the heat down and I'll add 1 finely chopped onion and cook till it's soft for about 5 minutes. Once the onions are soft, I'm going to add 2 cloves of crushed garlic and allow that to cook for a couple of minutes before returning the lamb to the pot. Then I'll stir in 1 tablespoon of clear honey and the juice of 1 orange. I've got the heat turned up at this point to allow to boil, and I'm going to add 700 millilitres of boiling water to a stock cube. Then I'll go in with the zest of 1 orange and 2 cinnamon sticks. I'll add a big pinch of ground black pepper. Now that has been brought to the boil, I'll put the lid on and turn the heat down to a simmer and allow to cook for 1 hour, checking in between time. It's been 1 hour now, and I'm going to add some chopped mint and a couple of handfuls of dried apricots, and I'm going to leave to cook for a further 30 minutes with the lid on. So after 30 minutes, the lamb is lovely and tender now, and I'm going to thicken the sauce with 30 grams of ground almonds. Once the sauce is thickened, it's time to serve, and I always pair mine with a delicious bowl of couscous. I hope you've enjoyed today's recipe. Please like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes like this. Thank you so much for watching. Take good care of yourselves, and I will see you in the next one.